Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I asked a question on my story on my Instagram and I was asking my followers what kind of colours they'd like to see for an eyeshadow tutorial that I wanted to do today. And a few people have suggested doing bright colours, which I kind of wanted to do that today anyway. And there was a couple of silvers and greys. But the one that stood out to me was there was a couple of people that actually asked for blue. So today I'm going to do blue on my eyes. I don't think I've ever put blue as an eyeshadow before. So because I wanted to do a bright eyeshadow tutorial today anyway, I thought blue would be perfect for that. So I'm going to use a couple of new brushes. These are both sets that I got in the Boots Christmas sales. And the one is the Little Mix brush collection, and I think it's MASQD, if that's how you pronounce it. So I've got those there to use. So I'm excited to use them. I've already put my base on and set everything down. I have also been and had my eyebrows done today. I don't know if you can tell, and that was at a benefit counter, but I'm going to talk about that in another video. Anyway, enough talking from me. Let's just get straight into the video. Okay guys, so I've just finished it off now with my Ardell, my mini Demi Wispy lashes, and then I've also finished it off on the lips with the Rimmel Stay Matte liquid lip colour, and that's in the shade Pink Blink. What do you think? I love the look. I absolutely love the intensity of the blue, and I used that in the BH Cosmetics Weekend Festival palette. They've got some great colours in here. They're so vibrant as well, and the pigmentation on them is just awesome. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please just smash that thumbs up button, and also give me a quick comment on the video. Tell me what you think and whether or not you've used this palette before or any of the products that I've used today. If you aren't subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe. It really, really does mean a lot to me. Head over to my Instagram account, which is just by there, and then also head over to my Twitter account, which is also just by there. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also turn on notifications so you get notified every time I upload a video. Anyway guys, that's it for now. Take care.